Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something truly magical, a 3D paper snowflake using post-it notes. This is a post-it note and this is actually a square sheet. So you can just take one and it has a glue already on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold into three parts, and this is the glue area which can come over on this fold, and then you make another fold. So you don't need a glue in this step. I think some post-its don't have glue, so you can just put some glue in that case. So don't worry about the exact size, because when you are actually optically going to fold this into three parts, you'll have an idea, and I think all of them are going to look same size. So you will require 20 pieces of this. I have this shape ready with me, and I'm gonna keep it over the other piece and then just draw the half part. This is done. Now let's fold it into half, cut it. Okay, so this is done. So you need to cut all this into these shapes. It's time to assemble the snowflake. So we can take two first together to paste it. So I'll take a glue and put the glue and paste the second piece over it. Since all the 20 pieces are together, first and the last one, and you're gonna close. I hope you enjoyed this fun and easy tutorial for making 3D paper snowflakes with post-it notes. They are so simple yet so stunning, and they are perfect for bringing a little extra magic to your holiday season. Today, we are going to make a beautiful 5-pointed star lantern with paper because it's biodegradable, recyclable, and eco-friendly. Let's quickly gather all the material that we require to make this lantern. We need glue, ruler, punching tool, punching cutter. We need a pencil, scissor, thread, and the paper tape. We need just a square sheet of paper. So you need 5 sheets. So I'm gonna just to take out the square sheet out of my A4 size paper. What I did is just folded it diagonally, and I'm going to remove this excess part. So I already have the ready square sheet of paper from my A4 size sheet, and this is the diagonal fold. And then from this point that you see here and this side, I'm gonna divide this area, this section into half from this corner. So, and then from the other side, same, repeat the process, but from other side. Cut along this line over these lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That was easy. That was not super easy, but that was easy. Now I require this 2 threads. So take any type of cotton thread. I got golden ones, but take any like strong thread and then tie the knot at one side. Let's insert another thread. Try just open it, and then you can see it. See, this way you can tie the thread around the bulb. So I got the bulb over here, and I'm gonna see how it's going to look, okay, with the lights. So what you're gonna do is insert this bulb here. Okay, it looks nice, but let me switch on this main light so that how it looks in the dark. Let me know what you think, and happy holidays, happy Christmas, and happy New Year. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to make these Christmas stars. I'm gonna divide paper diagonally, okay, both ways, this way and this way. So divide paper into half diagonally from both sides. Then all the corners you have to join to the center and fold. Now I'm going to fold. So basically, yeah, so I'm folding this side to the center line, okay, center diagonal. and this one to this center line. So once you got this, I'm gonna just make the temporary fold, which I'm gonna turn towards opposite, outwards, and then turn it, flip it over, and then fold like this here. So like this you need to make 16 pieces. So I'll show you one more time with the red sheet. Fold paper diagonally, and then join to the center, side to the center line, and fold outwards, and then fold like this. So once you got the pieces, what you're gonna do is you have to insert these two corners in these two pockets. You can clearly see there are two pockets here. So you put these 2 points inside this to fix it, and repeat the pattern. So join all these pieces, 14 pieces, and this is 16 pieces. So when you insert the pieces inside, put some glue and then insert, so it will all be fixed at the same time. So today I'm going to show how to make Christmas tree like this. It has to be a square sheet. So take the paper, turn it over here. I'm turning because I need the green side outside. So, and this go inside. So I'm gonna fold into half diagonally, collect all the flaps together. Repeat the same process with other flaps as well. And then you get this line and just cut along this along the line, and then you remove the excess part which we don't require. If you want, you can also cut extra slits so that you have more texture. So if you observe this one, so 1 2 3, just so what I'm going to do is just separate it out, and then from this point to this point, outer point, inside point to outer point, I'm going to fold. Okay, great. Now it is done. So this is the way you can make your Christmas tree for your Christmas decoration.